upon our teachers with love. Grant them to resolve, to nurture our eager minds, and to never give up on us who fall behind. Bless their hearts, for they rejoice when we succeed, and encourage us when we fail. Endow them with gentle patience, for the path of learning is never easy. Kindle a spirit of passion in them. It is the flame that ignites the love of learning in us. Help them see the potential in each student. Their belief in us means much more than the grade we make. Instill in them a commitment to keep on learning. It shows us not to fear new knowledge and experiences. Inspire them to touch the future. They influence how big a dream we dream for ourselves. Bless our teachers who have come before, for their work endures to this day. Let the light of your example shine upon all teachers, to build up with their words, to love with their mind, to share with their heart. Amen.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. and fourth graders Roman Lar. Muli, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Good morning! Ay, parang hindi yata good morning natin. Good morning, teachers! Ayan, at ang ating mga first year, nasa na mga freshmen natin? Nasa baba at ang mga seniors, nasa na mga fourth year students? Wow! Okay. Over. We're celebrating the World Teachers Day. And ang gagawin natin ngayon, bawat year level, meron kayong muse and escort, diba? So, tatawagin natin isa-isa, papalakpakan din natin for the effort that they gave. Tinatawagan ang muse ng first year, palakpakan natin, si Miss Carmina Levita, at ang kanilang escort, si Mr. Eduardo Manos. Please come up the stage. Naku, nasa na mga first year teachers? celebration of fall. On October 11, we're going to have the pageant for Miss and Miss Educator 2011. At ang representative po ng Unit 1 ay nagmula dito sa ating paaralan, Miss Jerry Libian and Mr. Jeffrey Penal. Palakpakan natin silang dalawa. Tsunami walk daw. Ano tsunami walk? Free walk, Jerry. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these are our rules and aspects for the World Teachers Day. Picture daw. Okay, Rocky! Rocky naman daw, Rocky! Ano? Celebrity na sila! Seryoso. Rocky na, Rocky! 1, 2, 3, pause! Rocky! Okay, together with the department hands! Ngayon, nakikita niyo po ang inyong mga teachers na very happy ang kanilang mood, very positive. Thank you so much! Ayan. For today's first activity, okay, mamaya na mga second day. For today's first activity, we are going to have